Hi friends, and welcome to day 3 of introductions for our September 2024 release. Today we are introducing Sparkle and Shine. This stamp set has Sparkle and Shine in a beautiful curly font, as well as 9 supporting sentiments that match the vibe. And of course we have the matching creative cuts available for the large sentiment in the set. And this is what the sentiment looks like when all stamped and cut out with the matching creative cuts. This is such a beautiful and versatile sentiment that can be used for Christmas, New Year's, or all year round, maybe for wedding cards. And it looks wonderful stamped in different colors as well. Today I'm showing you how to create a shaker card with this sentiment. I'm combining the sentiment with one of my favorite sets for shaker cards, and that is the Wreath shaker by Mama Elephant. For the base of my card I wanted to do a tone-on-tone look in white. I'm cutting everything from white cardstock, except for the top panel of my shaker, which is cut from glitter white cardstock. I also wanted my card to have a pop of color. That is why I'm using the bow in a very bright pink, as well as a couple of leaves from the pop-up Trellis bloom set to make it look like mistletoe. First, it's time to put together the shaker. These are all the different pieces I'm using. I die cut the window piece a couple of times and I'm gluing them together to create some dimension. Before adding any shaker material, I'm adding some anti-static powder. I shopped my stash for a couple of shaker elements that would match the vibe of my card. I used the tip of my glue pen because it has these tiny scoops on top to add the shaker elements to my panel. When all the shaker elements are inside, it's time to add our window. Now in the video it looks like I'm just gluing it down and then continuing to make my card, but I think it's actually better to leave it a while and then continue to finish your card at a later point in time. Now it's time to glue down the leaves as well as the bow, and I'm doing this using some glue dots. And now it's finally time to add the sentiment. And I think that bright colored bow on top really finishes the card and makes it pop. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of September, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!